Hi guys, all right, this next piece I'm going to cover is really cool, and that's going to be exactly for the T2HA toolbar. So I'm just going to show you what we're going to do with that. It's pretty amazing. The notion first, because there are three things that we did inside the toolbar, okay? And that is this. We created internal linking, okay? So whenever we're using verbiage in here that exactly matches particular verbiage in here, then it will create the hyperlink to that page. Now it does that on the home page for everything that it finds. That's an exact match. But it also does it on each of these pages for each other. So it fully internally links the website. Okay? That is awesome. Google likes to see that. That alone can improve your rank 3 positions per keyword simply because of that. And some of you guys, you're going to get much better rank improvements anyway. Again, it's you versus your competitors. Most people don't go out of their ways to do this stuff, right? But Google likes that sort of well-defined, organized information. When people are reading, they see something, and they know now that when they click on it, like garage door repair, if they click on it, it will go specifically to the page that talks about that because that's what you had in mind. Okay? Now, to avoid there being too many links on the page, we actually have a max number control. So you're going to see that. Anyway, how does all that work? Let me go inside the MM panel, go to the global settings. I'm going to download the sample feed file. Bam. Here, I'm doing it right now, just so you know. So there it is. I just downloaded it. Okay. That's this. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Pardon the mess on my desktop. I'm busy this time of the year. We've been busy on all fronts. So I'm going to enable editing if I see this bar up here. Okay. I'm going to go to the T2HA toolbar. See where it says internal links? I just hit it. It reads the names of all the pages and the URLs and creates the links in the page's contents. Let's say like a max same links per page. I don't want more than like 3. I might even say 5 or 6 just so you can see it. It'll be easier to find it. But you can put it in, or if you don't want to, if you want it to link everything it sees that's an exact match, just leave it blank. Okay. The only reason to put a number in at all is so that links don't look too funny. By if there were like 20 times that you used a phrase on a particular page, or you have a page that says something so generic that it gets used a whole lot on the website. You just want there to be a max number of times it shows up on one page. Anyway, I put in a number. I hit submit, and the process is complete. Okay. And that's it. That's all I had to do. Now, before I actually do it, let me download a backup. So I'm doing one more download. I just hit the download button again. That way I got a backup, whatever this one's called, like 2 or something. I don't know. Yeah, 2. Okay, fine. Now, that way I got a backup. Now, let me just go ahead and import. Okay, just to show you what I'm doing. Okay, we downloaded the sample feed file, opened it, hit the T2HA toolbar, hit import web page or internal. What do we hit? Okay, we open it, hit T2HA, hit internal links, and we put a maximum number in there, and we hit submit or cancel because it just did. Okay, now I'm going to import it because I'm done. But I did create a backup too, right? Like download it twice or just make a copy. Okay, now I'm going to take it and drag it over here, get the arrowhead on the button, hit import. Yep, I know it's going to overwrite. Okay. And it's done. So let's see what it did. Okay, let's just go here again. All right, and I'm going to look for it. Services is hyperlinked to the services page, right? It's got it twice. Then I got garage door repair hyperlinked to the garage door repair page. Awesome. If I hit garage door repair, it goes to the garage door repair page. Now, if in this page it happens to have other links or use the verbiage a certain way, it'll get hyperlinked. So part of your strategy, of course, could have been to intentionally set up some of your keywords into the phrasing. Look at that, garage door installation, garage door repair. If I go, it goes to the garage door installation page. Now I'm on the garage door installation page, and so on and so forth. This is called internal linking. This is how it works, what it's about, and why it's incredibly important and why Google really likes it. All of this counts, okay? And you can just follow these links around the site. Okay, so we set up a maximum number of links per page so it doesn't look funny. Other than that, you're good to go. That alone, just by doing that, which took how many minutes? Is when Google catches on and it updates the index and it sees my new versions of the pages now, my rank will go up. Probably 3 spots. It could go up more. Okay, just from that. But then also Google's going to see that I added canonical links to my website. Ooh, my rank's going up probably another 3. And Control F, if I have schema, my rank's going up probably another 7. Now, there's no schema on this particular page. I wonder if I have it here. Just curious. Control F, because it's supposed to be anyway. Whoops, got to look at the source code. Schema, of course, is for Control F. I want to make sure I have this right too. Where's that no index? Oh, I should no index this because I don't want this project. Oh, it's there. I'm going to say I don't want this project to rank on Google. Control F, right? This is just a working platform. Okay, yeah, schema. That'll raise my rank like 7 points. So if I got 7 plus 3 plus 3, that's 13 spots up. I'm ranking myself for really automated push button stuff. Okay, and the cool thing about the schema and is that it runs off global variables. The cool thing about canonical links is they're auto-generated whenever I create a new page. If I create a new page and said, I don't know, let me call it like Elite Garage Doors, okay, and click off, it makes the page URL that, and it also makes my canonical URL that. Now I can still overwrite this, but that would be if I happen to know that this is a copy of some other page like garage door repair, okay? And if it was truly a copy, I want Google to put the link juice together from these 2 pages. Don't keep them separate, okay? So it doesn't matter what I put for meta keywords and description. It doesn't matter what I put for schema. I am telling Google both pages are really the same. Please treat them the same, okay? And that's important. All right, so you then just save your changes. You know, whatever you put in all these fields, and just save your changes. Okay. Now I'm going to show you more. Okay. What else right now is pretty interesting? For those of you who don't know, the bulk export utility is a way of generating websites. Right. Now, most of you guys know that. Some of you guys haven't really studied what that's all about. Let me put in a plug real quick just to make this clear. If you go to theme2html.com and hit videos, scroll down. This is about the T2HA toolbar. Okay, this is the main stuff that is about the T2HA toolbar. Now we do have more macros since this came out. I'm going to cover them right now. Okay, and they're hugely valuable. So let me do that. But I'll cover them in the next video because it's a topic unto itself. What are we going to do? We're going to download a whole lot of companies, and I'm going to show you how to fill out a feed form so you can auto-generate websites for all those companies. Okay, and we'll see how to do this in no time at all. And it literally starts with your local library. That should be it. So that's mine. Okay, everyone's got their own. All right, I'll cover this in the next video. See you there.